I will show you how to organize your footage or content inside Procreate Dreams. Feel free to check out the description box below to download the project file to follow along. So over here, I have a bunch of content that are color-coded. This is really helpful when things get crowded, so I know where to dive in. And to add color to your content, you can just zoom in until you find the name of the content. It can be just one frame or an audio or a group. In this case, it is a group. So I'm just going to long hold the name of the group. And the second option on the list says highlight. Just tap on it and you can assign a different color. And you can also remove the color anytime by doing the same thing. So long hold the name and then tap on highlight. At the bottom, tap on none, and this will remove the color. So here is how you color code your footage in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.